begins in 3, 2, 1, go. One robot from each alliance moving. Green eggs in program. Heading over, unfortunately, it does miss. All robots have stopped on the field, means we'll wait out this autonomous period.
Say you don't know me, I recognize my face. Say you don't care.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And teleop has begun. Drivers now in control of their robots for the remainder of the match. Red Alliance, one specimen up onto that high rung, a sample into the high basket for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance lining up for the high basket. Unfortunately, it does miss and fall into the net zone. Still scored for points. Blue Alliance getting another sample into that high basket. Just over a minute and a half remaining. Red Alliance trying to get a specimen onto the field. Human player adding a clip from that to the sample. They have to be careful to make sure their hands are not in that observation zone when a robot is present within that, but that means drivers also have to pay attention to their human players. Robo Wolves getting another sample into that high basket for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance lining up with another specimen for that high chamber. Successfully scoring a third specimen. A fourth one in hand as they head over. Green eggs in program lining up and successfully placing another specimen. Just under a minute remaining. Robo Wolves adding another sample to their high basket. Keeps the score similar, but those specimens worth much more points than the samples. Robo Wolves accidentally almost tipping themselves over. Hopefully they can get themselves back on all four wheels before the remainder of the match, and they do so successfully. All four wheels flat on that floor, trying to grab a sample from within the submersible. 30 seconds remaining in the match. Endgame has now begun. Teams have the opportunity to get themselves onto the rungs if they choose to do so. Robo Wolves lining themselves up, getting themselves up in the air. Their teammates, Ram Robotics, going to come on over next to them. Green eggs in program trying to grab a sample in the last remaining 10 seconds. Their teammates lining up in the ascension zone. 5 seconds remaining. Blue Alliance setting down their controllers. Red Alliance trying to get into the last second part.